Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the set reset command in Logo PLC software using Soft Comfort version 8.3. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Logo Soft Comfort software and here we will create a new program. Just we will go into the file and click on new and which language you like to be choose, for example function block diagram. So I choose this function block diagram and this one. This interface will be open, and in previous video already latch and unlatch system I explained. And now in this video we will choose the set and reset command. So how we can make the set reset command? First we will take this one input address. For example, this I will place it here. I will make it little zoom this after you better understand. And this one we will be take I1 input address and second I2 address. And next we will choose this one. Scroll down this in, go to the latching relay. You can see here the latching relay, pulse relay, message text softly, and here we will take this latching relay and we will place it here the in front of this two contacts. Which contact? These two contacts we will make for this one set and this one make for reset. And next we will choose the output coil which we like to be make set and reset. So digital input, and here you can see this output, and here you can choose the output Q1. Oh sorry, this I will delete. And this take this connector tool and you can connect this one Q1 and this number one signal you choose for set condition, and this you can connect for reset condition. This you can see this is the reset yani latching relay have a set and reset function. And this program you will download to the PLC and let's see. Now this IP address is already saved, and we will click on test, and this communication will be completed. After this will be automatically downloaded into the PLC. Here's where to be give the password and click enter. We will again click it on the test. Sometimes it took take time because of the sorry, this is I think so this if this caps lock is not on in this Logo PLC, we have to be use the password with the caps lock. Capital words this software accepted. And now click on OK, and now it's connected to device automatically. And when password match the with the PLC, after it will be download. why it's download to the PLC says failed. Again we will try one more to download the program. First we have to be test this communication, and after we will download the program. In this IP address have a little problem. Sometimes it's giving the problem. And now its data transfer is busy. Also our PLC will be goes into a red condition, and now it's downloading. This in my hardware I connected these two lamps with my output of the CPU, and four inputs of the this push buttons I connected with my inputs, and this one power supply, this 24-volt plus voltage I gives to the now our program is successfully downloaded, and now we will make the simulation. Yeah, you can see this is now set. Now our Q1 is set, and this is when I press this one I0.2, this will be go to reset. And here also you can select, when you press this one it will be off, and will press again it will be on. This red light can be show for it's now means on. And as I1 signal I gives after Q1 is on, and when I2 we will give, after it will be make it reset. So now also I will show you in the physical in our camera. This now I gives the signal at first one my address, for example. Sorry, this first push button is our for set command, and this is for reset command. Light will not run because of our power is not on. So now I make the power on. Now you can see this is the stop condition, and this is the set, and this is reset. Set, reset. Right. This way you can make the set and reset program. And if you like to see this program in ladder logic, so just only you can click it on this one, convert to the ladder. This indication you in the toolbar you can see this one, convert to ladder with, so you can see this look like program. Make it little, I will make little bigger, and you can see. And again if you like to make the simulation, after you can see when you press this one I1 your Q1 is set, and when you stop this I1 It's not affect yours because of your Q1 is now into the set condition. And when you press on the I2, it will be goes to reset. Same program in this will working in the original hardware. It is our camera. This is original program, same like you can see reset. But this output hardware simulation is cannot see in the software, but it's working properly. Hope guys you will be understand about this control, how can design the set and reset. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.